Hey friends, if you wish to fix COM surrogate high CPU or disk usage on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now the first solution will be to restart your computer. So right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then restart it. The next solution will be to update Windows. Okay, so right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution will be to update the drivers. So again, in the same page, the Windows Update page, go to advanced options, select optional updates, expand the list for driver updates, select any potential driver updates and select download and install. The next one is a malware scan. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and go to MRT. Wait till it loads. Click on next, choose full scan, select next and let it run through. And lastly, you can perform a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.